Hey everyone, welcome to episode 3 of Enginews, coming to you live from Engineers of Tomorrow. Uh, it's me, Rebecca. I'm back. Remember me? I am part of the Engineers Tomorrow team, and I'm here again today to just get started actually by just telling you a little bit about us and what we believe in, and then we will get into another fun engineering problem that some fantastic engineers are solving these days. So, Engineers of Tomorrow, that's our fun logo on the left side of the screen. We really believe, we have a vision that one day everyone in Canada will understand how important engineering is to be able to shape our society and make it an amazing place to live. We also really want everyone to know that there's a place for them in engineering. We love having all different kinds of people become engineers or just know about what engineering is so that they can understand how engineers work and how engineering affects their lives every day. So now let's talk a little bit about what people need now and how engineers are helping today. So we talked in our other episodes about how important it is to identify the problem. So today, the problem that we're looking at is that not everyone can stay home these days and stay away from the virus that's out in our communities. So there's some workers that we need them to still go to work. They're helping us stay healthy and stay, safe. So in order to keep those people safe, they are using masks. But the problem here is that we just don't have enough masks for everyone that needs them. The people that manufacture and make the masks before all of this stuff happened, they never would have planned that there would be such a high demand or so many masks would be needed for so many people. So that's a big problem. And one way that engineers are helping is by using their knowledge of manufacturing processes and the science of different materials involved. And they're taking those ideas now and turning them into reality, into real ways that they can help solve that problem. So there is a company that is right here in Ontario, actually, and that company is called Woodbridge Foam. They have a special place in our hearts at Engineers of Tomorrow because they really see that the engineers of tomorrow, folks like you, it's important to talk to you about these kinds of ideas. And so we'd like to work with them to help get those messages out there. But anyway, so they're an automotive company, an automotive parts manufacturer. That's what they specialize in. So the folks that work there, the engineers, and there's technicians and technologists that would work there, and scientists that are working in labs to study the different parts that make up that go into your cars and trucks and buses and that kind of thing. And you can maybe guess from their name, they specialize in making the foam that goes into your car. So maybe think a little bit about where you find foam in your car. So maybe think about your own cars and trucks you have at home and think about the different places, maybe the seats, and there's other places inside of your vehicles that foam is used to help keep sound out and keep you safe and warm and comfortable. So Woodbridge Foam are specialists in these kinds of materials and making them specifically for cars. But now we don't have a real need for car parts or foam car parts at the moment. But the engineers at Woodbridge Foam realize that the materials that they are using are some of the same materials that go into the masks that all of these frontline workers need to keep them safe and protected from the virus. So the engineers and big teams of people, in fact, have been working hard to pivot from making car parts now to making masks that will help keep everyone safe. So I'm sure you have lots of great questions and you're really curious about what this even means. Maybe you're thinking about what are the different kinds of materials that are used in these masks? Why are they different? What makes them so special? How do these materials keep the teeny tiny virus particles out of our noses and our mouths? And these are all great questions, and I really want you to explore and think about where you can maybe find some of those answers. And as always, we've got lots more fun stories to share with you about how engineers are stepping up and helping out and working hard to keep us all safe and healthy and happy these days. So until then, I want you to keep getting curious and thinking about your own world, your own lives, and how engineers are having an impact on you maybe even these days. So stay safe and healthy and have fun, everyone. Till next time, bye.